You can see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. Let's have a look in this flow. And coming to the flow, I will just give you a brief of the manufacturing cloud. Okay, so what is manufacturing cloud? So basically, see, Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud is a CRM platform. Okay, that tailored for the manufacturing industry, and it's why it is the what is the key benefits of the manufacturing cloud. If I say so, it provides a unified view of the entire supply chain. Okay, enabling manufacturers to better manage sales agreement and forecasting and operation planning with its service cloud and sales cloud capabilities to meet the specific needs. Okay, so so it is unified view of the entire supply chain. So if it is the main first key features, that is a manufacturing cloud. Okay, so in the so you know about the data cloud bit. So in the data cloud, what is the main key features? It is unified the customer data. So that is in the data cloud. So here in the manufacturing cloud, they unified the view of the entire supply chain. Okay, so in Salesforce manufacturing cloud, uh, we always works on the business process in different like from the marketing, sales, operation, commerce. Okay, so it all integrates into experience for the manufacturers. Okay, and also here it is written. So previously, companies are using Service and Sales Cloud for their customers. Okay, but Salesforce created this manufacturing cloud for many payment milestone or sales agreement, account forecasting. So for this manufacturing cloud capabilities will meet the specific needs. Okay, basic. Now, if I say about the key features of Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud. Okay, so these are the main features: sales agreement management, account-based forecasting, comprehensive analytics, real-time collaboration, integration with ERP and other systems. I will explain each and one. Just have a look of these are the Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud, 5 main features. Okay, now I will explain this, then you will understand the scenario. Okay, suppose uh, this is a you can say this is a manufacturing cloud business process flow. Okay, Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud business process flow. Okay, you can see, right, this.
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. So here what we are visualizing, it's visualizing that how different Salesforce clouds work together in a manufacturing company's life cycle. Okay, from here we can see from the marketing to the service. Okay, so let's explain here about the marketing. Okay, so what exactly marketing cloud or marketer do. So what is the purpose? So purpose here is to create awareness and attract the potential customers. So for that, what we do the marketing, so like the campaign and all. Okay, so in the marketing we do like the marketing automation we can do, and campaign manage in the marketing cloud. Okay, and also here for creating or for doing the campaign or manage the in the marketing cloud, we track the leads, right? After that, we run the campaigns and nurture them until they're ready to sales. So for that, we do marketing. So in the marketing, there is like marketing cloud is there, Part is there. So Part is you know about the account engagement. Okay, so that is the thing we do in the marketing. Okay. Now coming to sales. Okay, in the sales cloud, you can see there are 5 key steps. Okay, you can say. So first is lead and opportunity management, and after that account planning. Okay, second is account planning, and Third is product co-design. Fourth is negotiation, and fifth is CPQ, configure price quote. So if I come to the opportunity management, so here what we do, we track the potential deals. Okay, so in that potential deals, we like in which stage the customers is. So after that, we track all those things in the lead and opportunity management. Okay, so after that, we do in the account planning. So what is account planning? Account planning is like there are like huge customers. Okay, in the huge customers, when there are different types of customers behavior and all, like, so we identify the upsell and cross sell opportunities in the account planning. Okay, after that, we do the CPQ, negotiation and CPQ. So in the CPQ, we build the accurate quote for complex manufacturing products. Okay, so for that we use the CPQ, configure price quote. So in that, like uh, suppose in the price quote, so we there are like different payment milestone will be there. Okay, different product and different quarter or yearly or half yearly they have to pay. Okay, so these are the complex scenario in different sector while they are using the manufacturing cloud for the sales. Okay, so for that we use the configure price quote. Okay, and negotiation is like handle the pricing and the contract discussion. So that is the negotiation. So these five you understood, right? How it goes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we'll go the sales operation. Okay. So here in the what you do in the sales operation. So here actually here you can see actual versus planned early warning. Okay. So actual versus planned early warning, logistics and delivery, planning and forecast, volume sales agreement, final product and production visibility. Then in the last, the product validation. Okay, so in the sales operation, we what so in the sales operation, what is the purpose? So here we do the manage the long-term agreements, right? In the long-term agreements, there will be like logistics also there, see logistics and delivery and the forecasting. Okay, so in these all those do will be doing in the sales operation. Okay, so coming to the uh, volume sales agreement, or you can say what is the volume VSA, volume sales agreement, or forecasting, logistics and delivery. Okay, so these are the things here. So basically see in the what is so what is the volume sales agreement. So in the volume sales agreement we capture the customer contracts. Okay, so how what is the contracts with the customers and the product. Okay, like the quantities, pricing, terms, all those things here will be in the volume sales agreement. Okay, in the forecasting we do the predict the demand and the revenue. So that is the forecasting. Okay, and logistics and delivery, so we have to coordinate with the manufacturing and the shipping. So how the product will reach to the manufacturer company to the customers, like that we use the logistics and the delivery. So we have to coordinate right with the manufacturing and the shipping. And after that, payment and the forecast. So in the payment and forecast, what we do, we manage the billing schedules and payment visibility. Okay, so that is the payments and the forecast. Okay, so here in the sales operation, company will use here manufacturing cloud. Okay, mainly they will use the for this manufacturing cloud. If you in the manufacturing cloud, you can use business to business manufacturers. Okay, B2B, B2B.
I have a question here.
Yeah, tell me.
In the sales operation, you have actual versus planned early warning,
Yes.
and you have a planning and forecasting. How these two are different?
Okay. So here what we have like the, so in the when we'll be working on the sales operation. Okay, so in the sales operation there will be actuals and planned. Okay, so in the actual what the price of the product is. So in that CPQ, that is when you are creating the quote, that is already there. Okay, are you getting this right?
Yeah, in the quote we'll capture which product and what quantity
Yes,
and what discount or what total it will be.
yes,
Quote
yes,
total.
yes. So in that case, like in the sales operation, when we will be working in the CPQ. Okay, so all the price will be there. In the planning and forecast is like, suppose there are 300 units is the target. Okay, and the sales rep completed to 90. Okay, in that tire. Okay, so 10% or 10 quantities is still left. Okay, so Salesforce will tell that like 10% is still left, you can do, and you can also focus on the tier 2. I will come with the example, if I will give, so you will understand. Okay, so here, so what is, if I come at again, what is actual versus planned early warning. Okay, so in the companies, they use the volume or revenue for the sales agreement. Okay, volume sales agreement that you tell. So suppose you have a customer like say ABC. Customer ABC want to buy 1200 sorry 1200 1200 units of product. Okay, in 2025. Okay, so for that, what will the plan? So suppose there will be 100 units per month. Okay, so suppose in that month, suppose January planned quantity is 100. Okay, and planned revenue is 10,000. Okay, so these are the target sales, or you can say start of the agreement, you can say. Okay, and what is the actually, suppose, see, actually you can write real order for the shipment. Okay, real orders or shipments recorded in Salesforce, that is the actual sales. Okay, so suppose you have month, you have actual quantity and the actual revenue. In the January month, the actual quantity is 120. Okay, so our actual revenue will be $12,000 or 12,000. Okay, INR, you can say. In the February, actual quantity is 90. Okay, and actual revenue is 9,000. Okay, so like this, we can plan actual versus planned comparison. Okay, so so if we calculate monthly, quarterly, or yearly, like in the month, that is January, so our plan was 100 but actual was 120, so variance is plus 20, right? So we that is the, we can say 120% of achieved we did. Okay, so these all those data will be there in the sales operation. Okay,
So you mean to say that current month versus the future months?
yes,
What
yes,
is the,
yes,
like if you split 1200 quantities into 12 months, then what you have actual sold on a particular month versus the future months?
yes, yes, that is.
Okay.
Okay, and if I come into the planning versus the planning and forecast, so forecast, already, like the what you can say, the probability of the selling the product, like uh, if you work more, so you can sell this amount, so that is the forecast. Okay, so in manufacturing cloud. Okay, in manufacturing cloud, we generally manufacture the business operation, right? So if we have like planning. Planning means what we want to happen. That is the planning, right? And what is forecast? Forecast means what we expect to happen based on data and what the sales rate or the trends is going on. So that is the forecast. Okay. Suppose if I coming in the planning. Okay. If in the planning, let's say, let's have a look. Suppose we have the initial, we have the strategic expectation. Okay, we have uh, strategic expectation of sales or the production. Okay, so for that, what we do, we usually fixed at the start of the fiscal period. So in the fiscal period, we can book like for the month, we can book for the quarter or year. So that is up the about the customer and the what's the product variant. Okay. So in the planning, it based on the customer contracts that I told you, volume sales agreement. That is a customer contracts. Okay. And after that, the historical performance, you can say. What is historical performance? Historical performance of previous performance of that year or previous year, and the business targets or the quotes. So what we do in the planning? Okay. Now, what is the forecasting? Forecasting means forecasting is a dynamic way. Okay, so it always tells about the real-time sales order. You can say market the trends. Customer is like what customer buying, their behavior they will know, and the pipeline opportunities. Okay, in how many opportunities in the pipeline. So all those things coming in the forecasting. Okay, you're getting right
Yeah.
the same. Okay. Now I will come to digital commerce and the online experience. Okay. What is digital commerce and the so here you can see order capture and management. Okay. Order capture and management. And after that order status, docs and the SATs. Okay. So, okay. And customer portal and the collaboration. Okay, so do you understand anything here of this slide, how the here the data works? Can you just say by this slide what is the order capture and the management?
See, you do the order capture means you capture the order details where with the start date, end date, and delivery of that order to the end customer. You track that, and status is the sense means ki, has the customer started using the order, or when he will start using, or any serial numbers are associated with that, or licensing in if licensing involved. So those details can be captured. And customer portal and collaboration is not sure how customer, if maybe complaints or anything. No, that will come in the service part. No, customer portal and collaboration I'm not getting. Yeah, that is my understanding on that. Yeah, Ankan, are you able to hear me? Hello.
Hello, hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. So customer portal and the collaboration is like for the uh, okay. So coming to the order capture and the management. Okay, so here order capture is like customer place orders online. Okay, so here we work on the digital e-commerce platform. Okay, digital commerce and online experience, you can say. So here we enable the customer to buy and track the online. Okay, and order status is like to track the order progress and the view the documents. Okay, in the sales agreement, what documents of the customers is giving. So all those things will be captured here. Okay, and after that customer portal and the collaboration. Customer portal and the collaboration is the, you can say, self-service portal for updates and the communication. Okay, so these are the things we use. So can you tell like which for this which platform they will use? So they will use, you can say, B2B commerce, business to business commerce cloud is there now in Salesforce, or experience cloud. Okay,
Yeah.
now another trending uh, cloud is nowadays is the uh, field service cloud, like financial service cloud. Okay, that you worked earlier. Any came across?
No, I heard it. Never got a chance to work on the financial services cloud.
Okay, in any cloud, in every industry, they created the cloud.
Oh yeah, a government cloud, cloud, non-profit cloud.
Yeah,
You name it, they have everything.
yeah, in real estate, in transportation, in every cloud they have. Okay, so now coming to the connected to the customer. So here, what you do, the customer, the service request and the service level monitoring. Okay, what is service request? So here they handle the product or warranty service issues. Okay, or in the field service, they come like technician visits the customer sites. Okay, that is the field service. Okay, and uh, another you can product registration and the validation also is there. So here that we do to track the install assets and the product warranty. Okay, so in that case, like in every manufacturer, there will be any product of like how to install, how to in the install, suppose they are paying. Okay, and after the suppose 1 year subscription of installation. Okay, after the subscription is over, so the company will take the product. Okay, so in that case, in that scenario, so the customer should have to maintain the asset. So suppose when you join a new company, so they give the laptop, so that is the asset. So after our tenure complete, we have to give the uh, laptop to the uh, company, right? So are you getting right? So these are the things we use basically to connect it with the customers and they're monitoring their product or any asset. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So suppose let's take one example. Okay, uh, suppose there is a company Nestle, right? So Nestle is a manufacturer vending machine. Okay, so in that case, what they will do? So they will run a campaign to attract the distributor. Okay, so for that they will do a marketing. So in that marketing we will do a campaign. So in that campaign there will be many campaign. Okay, so they can create a webinar, they can create a conference, they can create anything. They can run a Google ad, they can create a LinkedIn live. From there he can connect and take the email and phone number of the customers. Like that they can do the campaign, okay, to attract the distributor. And in the sales team, in the company sales team will be there. So sales team creates an opportunity, and that in the opportunity, if the customer is okay, boss, give me a CPQ, wait, okay, so they will create a CPQ. So that is in the sales team. After that, in the sales operation, what you basically do in the sales operation, we agreement is signed. Okay, so in that agreement there will be volume sales agreement in the manufacturing cloud. Okay, and after that, orders. What is the orders? Orders are placed online via B2B commerce. Okay, and after that manufacturer delivers at the customer tracks in that portal. Okay, so here what we do, we track the customer area where to all those things. Okay, so that is we have to manufacture delivers and the customer track via the portal. Okay, so if in that delivery case, suppose you one field or one machine breakdown. Okay, so for that what you have to do? So that time a service request is raised in the field service. Okay, so marketing cloud, sales cloud, B2B commerce cloud. So in the marketing also they can use the part dot. Okay, Clary. Part dot is a account engagement tool. Okay. In the sales for the leading opportunity and the management account planning, they go manufacturing cloud and the CPQ. Both they can compile. Okay. In the sales operation, you can use the B2B clouds for all those things visibility. Okay, final product and the product visibility. So here they can use the e-commerce. In the connected also they can use the experience cloud. Okay, and field service. Okay, too many clouds are there. Okay, you're getting.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so we'll take one another scenario, and after that we'll go. Okay, see, suppose one problem, one use case. See, in the basically what we face in the manufacturing cloud use case. Okay, suppose there is a account executives do not have a glance visibility into purchase commitment and customer compliance. Okay, so can you explain this just scenario like of your own? What is they are telling? What is the things? After that, I am saying more. Okay.
Account executives do not have at a glance visibility into purchase commitments and customer complaints. It seems like they don't have a view on the what uh, actually they are going to buy, and what are the complaints of complaints or service requests of the customer.
Okay. So basically, see here what we do. So our scenario is account executives do not have a glance visibility into purchase commitment and customer complaint. So sales rep here meaning is sales rep cannot quickly see how much the customer has agreed to buy. Okay, simply is written. Sales rep cannot quickly see how much the customer has agreed to buy versus how much they have already purchased. Okay, so have a look. So this is an example, Green Drive Motors. So this is a motor signed as a sales agreement to buy 10,000 EV batteries for the year. Of the 2025 year, they will buy 10,000 EV batteries. Okay, and he done the sales agreement. Okay, after 6 months, they have only ordered 3,500 batteries. Okay, so in a manufacturing cloud dashboard, what will show? So planned quantity, that is the our planned quantity. This is the one best that is the 10,000 EV batteries. Okay, fulfill quantity 3500. Compliance is 35%. So you can like do the percentage that will be the 30% into 100, right? And in the revenue gap, that is the 65 lakh spending. Suppose, okay. Now the account executive can instantly see that green timer is behind the schedule. No need to check multiple reports. Okay. So this is one scenario.
Okay.
Yeah. Small scenario. Daily we will discuss not much. Okay. Few scenario we will discuss. Not
Yeah.
yes. And after that, problem two is the account executives lack flexibility to change sales plan due to production issue, customer request, or recession. Okay, so these are the things accounts executives lack flexibility to change sales plans due to production issues, customer request, or the recession. So meaning is that if factory deals occur to the customer request fewer units, they must manually adjust everything time consuming, right? So for suppose there is a solution key allow adjusting planned quantity, sales price, discounts with yes. Okay, now let's have a one example. Okay, so due to lithium storage, autosphere can only make 8,000 batteries instead of 10,000. Okay, so lithium's product is that when you are creating a battery, EV battery, so lithium is the product that is needed. Okay, so that is this lithium is LE is shortage. Okay, so autosphere can only make 8,000 batteries. So our target is 10,000, but we can make only 8,000. Okay, so the A is simple, edits the sales agreement planned. Okay, so here planned quantity is the 8,000 per price per unit PPE, that is the 5,500. Okay, and the validity is extended by 1 month. So discount for delay. So if you have a like there will be a discount for delay. Okay. So the automatically updates the forecasting items and the sales target, helping the management to replan the production and the revenue. Okay. So you are getting this point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's just okay.
I will send all those docs. Okay. It is for
Yeah.
you, for you only. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, another problem is account manager cannot easily see product inventory levels. Okay, account managers cannot easily see product inventory levels. So now tell me, what is product inventory?
Uh, Manufactured or ready to sell products which are stored in some warehouse. So that is the inventory.
Great. So inventory means what we have on hand, right?
Yeah.
Right now, that is the inventory. So in that manufacturing cloud, or you can say service cloud, supply chain management integration, all those here, okay, in the Salesforce. Uh, Meaning that is like the product inventory. Okay. So in that product inventory, we have the current stock level of a product. Okay. Current stock level. What so we can check that what is the current stock level, and in that case, another we can see the location. Okay, location also very important. So in the city where the warehouse has, where the plant is, where in which region, where it is stored, right? All those things. That is the location. Okay, and after that, availability status. What is availability status? That is the for fulfilling the sales order. Suppose customer came to take the order to take the product. So in your inventory that is here or not. So you can supply the things or not. So it is not one or two. It is a big amount, right? So you can sell. So for that, see where Uh, let's explain. So account managers cannot easily see the product inventory levels. So they do not know how much stock is available before making promises to customer. Very easy, very
Right.
understanding. So what is the solution? Solution is so inventory metrics similar to existing pricing and quantity metrics. Okay. So you have to understand this line. Our
Okay.
technical word is this. Okay.
Hmm.
What is inventory matrix? Now we have to understand what is inventory matrix. Okay. So here or so here we have to show the inventory matrix similar to existing pricing and quantity matrix. Okay. So what is inventory matrix? Do you know?
Inventory matrix currently, as of today, how much quantity of the products are there in the available in the uh, warehouse,
Yes, yes. So
and per product price, and some, yeah, it can be like subjective. We like every product comes with the expiry date, so we need to see based on today how many active products or
right,
unexpired
right,
products are
right.
available.
Best, great. So here in the inventory matrix, so basically in the simple word, if I say, do we have the right products? That is one key. Second is in the right quantity. That we have to check, and at the right time. So these three we have to check in the inventory matrix. Are you getting?
Yeah.
So in the like you will not explain to the interviewer at the right time and all, so you will tell about in the Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud terminology, right? So what we will say,
Hmm.
so in that matrix we will essential for the manufacturing, that is one, and supply chain management, that is the second, third is sales operation, that is the third, fourth is financial planning. So these four metrics will be shown in the inventory matrix. Are you clear?
Can you repeat this one again?
Yeah, so in the inventory matrix, okay, what are the essential? So you can write one is manufacturing, okay.
Hmm.
Second is supply chain management.
Hmm.
Fourth is sales operation. Third is sales operation. Sales operation. How you the operation of the sales, like from the that flow chart. Okay.
Yeah.
And fourth is the financial planning.
Hmm.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. Now here, like you can see, when the AE creates a new order for eco charge distributor, the system shows available inventory 2000 EV batteries, reserved is 500 units, ready to promise 1500 units. Okay, so this prevents the overselling and ensure the delivery commitments match real in inventory. Okay,
What is reserved here mean? 500 units?
okay,
Like ready to promise, you are committing to the promise to eco charge distributor, you will sell 1500 units. Okay, so reserved is why reserved? Because available in what is the request from the eco charge distributors? How much quantity they require?
yes. So here you can see, like available inventory. So in the company, so they have the 2000 EV batteries. Okay, and reserve is like the quantity of the stock. Okay, quantity of the stock that is set aside for the specific order, customer, or any purchases. So that is the reserved.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
suppose, yes, and ready to promise, that like the uh, after giving the money. Okay, we will deliver the 1500 units, like that.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, available, ready to promise or available to promise, ATP, in the stock you can still sell. That is the
Hmm.
okay. Okay, now last problem, that is one use case. Bill, okay, few here. Okay, let's see. Account executives need to manually update actual product quantities based on the fulfill orders. Okay, so after an order is delivered, sorry, let explain one more time. Okay, so here account executives need to manually update actual product quantities. Okay, so the account executive wants to manually update the actual product quantities based on fulfilled orders. Okay, so what are the fulfilled orders? For that, they want manually, he want to update the actual product quantities, right? So after an order is delivered, they manually update how much was sold, time wasting and error prone. Okay, so for that, what they will do, they will do a seamless way to pull the information from orders and automatically update the sales plan. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's have a sales order for 100,000 batteries is fulfilled. Okay,
Hmm.
fulfilled quantity increased from 3500 to 4500.
Okay. Okay. From order, it is getting updated
Yes,
to the
from the
actual.
orders, from the orders.
Hmm.
So here they will pull the information from orders, and that in the orders they will automatically update the sales plan. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we'll come here. Okay. So this is our Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud. Okay. And this is our home page, as you know. Okay. So here you will be having uh, suppose this is the app launcher. Okay, in the app launcher, if you click knowledge, sorry, if if you write here learning. Okay, learning home. Okay, learning home, you can write down. So what is learning home? Learning home is the best trainer or tutor of our. Okay,
Okay.
so this is a manufacturing learning trial org. So you can access and play around with all features for remaining 31 days. Okay,
Okay.
for you also it's same. For me
Yeah.
also it's okay. So like in any article you want to you want to dive more. Okay, so here you can go through manufacturing for sales, manufacturing for service, when you are doing the manufacturing, the channel revenue management, okay, industry common components, okay, sample apps for anything, and the last is the agent force. Okay, so
So
these
these are the business apps, or these are the learning modules here at the bottom?
yeah, learning module. So if you learn all those modules, you will face the use case in the real world scenario.
Okay.
Yeah, same scenario will be faced, but in that case, in the scenario of what you are facing, so you have to implement here. Okay, so you have to know, you know, to habituate with all the terms and terminal.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, so what is so as I told you here, okay, what is sales agreement management? What is account based forecasting? Okay, so these you have to know all those things. Okay, many more is there, but I am just saying these are the key features. Okay, getting
Okay.
okay. So and if I go click here, or if you click here and if I write here manufacturing, okay, see manufacturing service console is there, manufacturing only. I will just click on the manufacturing here. Okay, if I click on the manufacturing here, let's see, there are opportunities direct. Okay, and after the opportunities, you can create the account, sales agreement, account manager targets, advance account forecast set partners. Okay, rebate program members, product rebate types, product order, contract lead, tags, report, transaction journal, rebate member agreement items, rebate claims, manufacturing program, advanced account forecast set uses, rebate partner special pricing type terms. Okay, so all those things, all these are very important. Okay, now I
Okay.
will, yes. Now let's explain. Let's from the account. Let's explain. From it will be understanding. So, what is account in Salesforce? Can you please?
Account is basically
Hmm.
individual, can be individual person, or it will represent a company.
Here, the company you can tell. Okay,
Yeah.
so here you see. Suppose this is the recently view. Okay, so this is the list view. Okay, so these are the my account. You can like you can check. I will directly I will come to the new. Okay, so here you can see account name. Okay, parent account, account currency. Here all the currency will be having. Suppose who is the customer having. Okay, after that the type. Okay, analyst, competitor, customer, integrator, investor, partner, praise, prospect, reseller, and other. So these are the type additional information of that account. Which type of the account is? So is the account is analyst, competitor, customer, integrator, investor? Okay, so these are the big list they have given. Okay,
Okay.
now yes, now industry. So agriculture, apparel, chemical, all those industries are here. Okay, so and you all those know all those things. I will not go ahead. So let's have in the SME partner. Okay, see, sorry, something went wrong. Try again. So what is this?
That is a compact layout.
Perfect, great, great. So in that compact layout, see, they are telling each and everything like how will dive more. Okay, Salesforce. Okay, so they are telling to read and all those things. When you will open, you will account. I will explain each and everything. Okay. So this is, you can say, the compact layout. So which field? So account, the name of the account, that is the SME partner. Okay, correct.
Yeah.
And the type, what is the account type? That is the customer. And the phone number, website, account owner, manage industry, that is the manufacturing, and the billing address. So this is the thing. So in the compact layout, these are the fields is very important of a account. Okay, correct.
Yeah.
Okay, so in that account, if I click here the details, okay, so as we came across, so these are the information they has given. Okay, custom links also given. Okay, and see, you can see account to account relations. Okay, so fill on the cards. So this is one like account to account, how which relations is there. You can check.
Is this something account hierarchy?
Uh, yeah, like the in that main account, any child account is
Yeah.
there.
Okay.
Okay, so in the, so that is in the account. So actually, what you do in the campaign also, or in the campaign, see there is a main campaign name is there. In that one child, many child campaign is there, right? So that is,
Okay. It's a like self lookup kind of thing.
yes, yes, yes. Okay. Now, so this is in the details or record details space, right? This is our record details space. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Just one minute. Okay, so now coming to related. Okay, coming to related. See here, we have four orders. Okay, so order number is there. If I click on the order number, so in the order number, which the in the order, what is the tagged here? So the account name, that is the SME partner, contract number, order start date, and status, and the order amount. Okay, so these are the things it is there, right? So same thing, if I click any orders, see, in the orders, you can see the order name, contact number. Okay, order state and order amount. Correct, getting?
Yeah.
Great, great. So in this account, okay, in this account, if you want to create any new case, okay, see, new note, if you want to put a new note, if you want to new opportunity, okay, if you want to change owner, if you delete this anything, view account hierarchy that you told
Hmm.
on the account, so that will come. Okay, so all those things will be shown here in this. Check for the new data, printable view. So you want to print anything, that is the add to actionable list, view catalogs. Okay, view relationship map, work other estimation flow, work other estimation omni channel, view website. So in an account, all those things will be shown. Okay, if you just if you click on this hierarchy, view account hierarchy, I told you. Okay, so are you getting right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So suppose you want to create, if you want to create another orders, okay. So what you will do, you have to just click on the new order. Okay. So once you are new order, so the sales rep can generate the order of this account, SME partner. Okay.
Right.
So here you can see order start date. Okay. You can give a order start date like Monday. From Monday blues, they will start. Okay, and here you can give the contract number. Okay, order type, new contract, suppose anything. So it is not so important because it is not in the red. Okay, so status you can give anything, draft or activated. Let's take a activated. Okay, address, you can search the address, you can give. Okay, customer authorized by, who is the contracts are contact is, so you have the what is the customer authorized by. So these are the things. Okay, so shipping country, okay, billing address, each and every information you can give, and you can create a new order. Okay, so what is that? We have status is choose a value status and save your changes for a new or cloned order. Choose a draft and activate order start to be edited. Acha, let's do a draft and we can save. Okay. So see, 0336 has been created and you can check the date. Okay. So order start like 3/11/2025. Okay.
Yeah.
So I have created another new order. Okay. So like this, we can do. And after that, coming to forecast. Okay. So what is forecast? You can see get started with accurate account forecasts. Okay. So you have to understand here the enter values for account and market growth for the duration. That is, you can say May financial year 2025 to April 2026 to generate account forecast for the SME partner account. So we will calculate the account forecast based on the account forecast formula defined by your admin, or you can edit the values during the adjustment period of your company uses. Okay, so that is the account growth. Okay, and the market growth, and generate the account forecast. Okay, so let give me a example of
Example in the sense.
like what should I give account growth and market growth example.
Uh, Account growth. What percentage you are expecting in this particular financial cycle from May 25 till April 26?
Yeah.
What growth is expected for Acme partners?
Okay. Okay.
But it could be revenue wise or
So write down one formula please for me. Write down account growth percentage is equal to. Okay.
you want me to write?
Yes. Yes. Do you have pen?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So write down account growth percentage is equal to
Hmm.
current period sales
Account growth percentage equals to current year sales.
minus previous period sales
Okay.
by previous period sales by previous period sales into exo into 100.
Current year sale minus previous year sale.
Okay,
Divide by.
divide by see current period sales minus previous period sales by
Hmm.
by
By.
previous period sales. Okay,
Okay.
into exo. Into
Okay.
exo is like we uh, you can like uh, in that line. Okay, into
Yeah.
when it will cover the up one only. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's take suppose account. Okay. So in that account, as I told you, so financial year of 2025, let's take 5 crore of
Hmm.
SME. Okay.
Hmm.
And in 2026, let's have the 6 crore. Okay.
Hmm.
Getting
5,000 is current year.
yes, 5 crore is the
Hmm.
2025 current year.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. Next year is 6 crore. Okay.
Okay.
So what will be the growth?
6, uh, 1 by previous year is
20%.
how it will be 20%.
6 minus 5 by 5 into 100.
6
You
minus.
can see my
Yeah, 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 yeah.
you can see my screen.
Yeah, I can.
Just 1 minute. See
20%. Yeah, 20%.
20%. 20%, right? Simple. So
Yes.
uh, same like that only we calculate the account growth. Okay, correct. now
Yeah.
now let's take one example. Tell me, suppose there is a company that is 4.5 crore of 2025 financial year sales. Okay,
Hmm.
in terms one next year 2026 financial year 4.8 crore. Okay,
Okay.
so what will be the actual growth, or sorry, account growth percent? Tell me. It's not a mathematical, just I am still asking. Do not.
Ah, yeah.
Okay. See,
Yeah, yeah, I got it.
just try to put the formula.
Yeah, yeah.
So 4.8 minus 4.5. Okay,
Hmm.
divide by 4.5. Right, into, you can put into
It will
actual.
be 15% approximate.
How?
4.8 minus 30%.
Let's do the calculator. Okay, 4.8.
Uh,
4.8, right, is the
6.7%. Yeah,
correct
right. Correct.
loading. Okay, so uh,
So this is about account growth. How about the market growth?
yes, yes, market growth I'm telling, bro. Telling. Okay, so you can write down market growth percentage is equal to.
Hmm.
Tell me your idea. Tell me your idea.
Market, for say, if I'm manufacturing some product and I have multiple customers, then total sales I made it for the in the market in the current financial 2025,
Hmm.
and what is expected like in 2026, how much growth it will be.
Mhm.
Based on that, I should be, because currently account is particularly for one customer we are targeting,
Hmm.
one company.
Yeah. See, market growth is equal to, write down,
Hmm.
current market sales
Hmm.
minus previous market sales.
Hmm.
Okay, by previous market sales into 100.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
that is a market growth. So
Hmm.
market growth always measure the overall industry or region. Okay,
Hmm.
and how much it is expanding in sales or demand over the time, right?
Okay.
Suppose explain always, example that will always clear your mind. Okay, so suppose suppose let's take 1 minute. Where is my notepad gone? Hmm. Okay, so suppose year, okay, year 2025. Okay,
Hmm.
total industry sales, that is 500 crores. Okay, getting.
Yeah.
So what will be your market growth?
What is the
Yeah, yeah, I'm telling.
growth into
2000,
2026.
2026, really 575 crore. Okay.
Hmm.
So what will be
Seven,
your, tell me, what will be your market growth?
75 by 5, 25%.
Hmm?
25%.
No. See. Uh,
No,
from,
15%. 15%.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
570 minus
500.
500, right? By, uh,
500.
yeah, by 500, and in the bracket if you put divide into 100, right? So that is
Yeah.
going to be 15%, correct?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
what we do basically, what we do basically, so if I compare, if I compare the account growth and the market growth, so here in the account growth, your customer is growing faster than the market. That is the account growth, correct?
Hmm. Hmm.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Account growth is like 20%.
Yes,
You
yes.
calculated,
Yeah.
and
So
market growth is 15%. So,
So
yeah.
if I say in the metric, if I say in the metric, okay, account growth greater than market growth. So the greater the symbol of the face will be towards the account growth. Okay. So
Yes. Huh.
in that case, the symbol will be like this. Okay, this one. Okay. So in this case, if I say account, account growth greater than the market growth.
Hmm.
Okay. So that is the meaning here. Your customer is growing faster than the market. Okay, clear?
Yeah. Yes.
And if I say account growth is equal to market growth, what is the meaning? Growing with the market. Clear?
Growing with the, yeah.
Steady performance like that.
Yes. Steady. Huh.
If I change this, what will be the meaning? Tell me.
Market is growing, but the particular account is not growing along with the
Yes,
market.
customer is underperforming versus market. Correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, risks of losing share, like that you can say. So
Mm,
you understand the basic, like the from the
yeah.
account. Okay, okay. So
So here it's a like in this Salesforce, these are auto calculated, or a sales rep will enter the values here.
so few things will be done from the sales rep. Okay, sales rep will raise a ticket to the Salesforce manufacturer admin. He will change as per the company, as per the business. You have to do that.
Okay.
Okay, so in that, say I told you now, in this problem one, see, sorry, account manager cannot easily see product inventory levels. Okay,
Hmm.
so account managers, so in these account managers, he is not in the Salesforce account manager, right? So he can, the sales manager here we are talking about, right? So so
Hmm.
he have to show the inventory matrix similar to the existing prices. So this thing will be raise the ticket to you, that you are a manufacturer admin, right? Or a sales admin you are. So they will configure. Okay, let's do this inventory
Hmm.
matrix. Are you getting? So in the inventory matrix, you are similar to the existing pricing quantity matrix. He knows that, so he will
Yeah.
elaborate this like that. So in the company, when you are working
Okay.
as an admin or a developer, so the end user will not do everything. They will just provide the information or the customer details to the develop Salesforce team. So they will update everything. If he have the they will not have that power or that access. You
Hmm.
can say. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. So today this much only. Okay, let's do 1 hour today.
One question.
Yeah,
Yeah. Last question. If you scroll little bit up,
hmm.
So in this fields here, account growth and market growth, we are entering the expected percentage values or what we are entering here.
Where?
If you scroll little bit down,
Mm-hmm.
we have two fields. Account growth, I understood the formula, how it is calculated.
Yes.
So as a sales rep,
Hmm.
what I'm going to do it here in this.
So here you will be, then you have to understand the market first. Okay, what is the account growth of that account? Okay, and after that you have to do the things.
Hmm. So this will be given by the business
Yeah, that is given by the business.
for whom I'm configuring the.
Yes, perfect. So you will have the look
Okay.
of that.
And another thing, if you go to the same,
Hmm? Tell me.
if you scroll little bit up, there is a formula they have written. Okay, they are saying that account forecast formula defined by your admin. So where exactly this formula is defined?
Uh, can you show me? I'm not getting.
If you read this third line in the tab, enter values for the account and
Acha,
growth
acha, this
for
one, this one.
uh, yeah.
So here they are telling we will calculate the account forecast based on the account forecast defined by your admin. So here what we have to do, you have to go to the account object. Okay. In that account object,
Hmm.
you have the fields and relationship. In the fields and relationship, they are the formula field. In that formula, they created this account growth and the market growth formula.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, it's good. Like you like it, the module for
Yeah. Yeah. This. Yeah. It was good.
thanks. We'll
Thank
dive more. Okay. Uh,
Sure.
I am just stop sharing. I do not know the process also. Let me do 1 minute. So I stop the recording. Okay. Now, what I have to do? I will do one thing. Mm, host chat people. Okay. Let's see. Let's one more. Okay. Bye. Take care. Thanks for joining.